Hello friends, welcome back. I am Sat and you are watching a video on analysis of dollar yen. Now we will jump straight into the charts of dollar yen. As you can see, this is a 4-hour chart of dollar yen, USD-JPY 4-hour chart, and we will analyze the trend of this chart. But before that, I want to talk about the various lines that are drawn on the charts. Right here, there is thick blue lines that are drawn on this chart are the support and resistance lines. It's better to say horizontal and support and resistance lines of the charts. This blue broken line, as I've said in my previous video, represent my short-term MAs, and these thick magenta colored pink or pink colored lines will represent the long-term MAs in the chart. These black color lines, thin lines, will represent the trend lines. And now we will talk about the trend of this chart. Okay, the market is in a sideways trend right now. As you can see, it's moving in a fixed range from resistance to support and then support to resistance. The price is basically zigzagging within this range, and also the MAs right here doesn't have consistent slope, which further indicates that the market is not in a definite trend right now. So we will treat it as a sideways market. Now let's look at some support and resistance that are out there in the charts. As you can see, I have already drawn and these horizontal lines right here. As you can see, this line is the resistance of this range bound market, and this is the support of this range bound market. And there is also the MAs that are on the chart right here. As you can see, this might also act as a support, and we'll treat it as a support. This is a value zone for the chart. And then there is this two trend lines, channel trend lines, which might act as a support for the price if the price comes right here. And this is the resistance line. This is a resistance trend line, which might act as a resistance when the price goes there. But right now, it's not our concern. And right now, we will just trade this market as a range bound market and sell the highs and buy the lows, sell the resistances and buy the supports right now. Now let's talk about the short-term pulse of the market. As you can see, the market made some huge bull bars right here, bull candles, and right now the market is producing some indecision candles, which might suggest that this trend, this short-term uptrend, might be at its end, and we can short here. So this pause might be an indication that the market this trend might be at its end, and that's the reason that we can look to short this market right now. But before that, I want to mention some more things. That's right here. Here, as you can see, that the market moved pretty fast, and and which basically shows that the market right now might be at an overbought condition, and that's a good time to short in a range. Now, how do we take the trades? We can take the trade right now because it's right at the resistance, and it's showing some indecision candles, or we might wait for some more bearish confirmations, some big bars, big bear bars right here, which will further indicate that the market is going to go down from here. But that would increase the stop loss. As you can see, from this high there will be a stop loss, and that would increase the stop loss of this trade. So there is a disadvantage for the confirmation if you take if you wait for the confirmation. But if you trade right now, right here, that would make a great trade, because yeah, the stop loss would be little and the target would be right here or here, this value zone or this horizontal support line. So that would be a good trade, because the stop loss would be little and the target would be huge, and uh, and that would make the reward to risk ratio of this trade a good one. Now that is all for this week's analysis. Kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video if you find my information useful, and please do share this video. I'll come up with this kind of videos every week, and will also post some of my trade videos occasionally. So hit the bell icon after you have subscribed to stay tuned, and please do comment and ask me questions so that I can answer them the next time I release my video. Thank you for watching this video, and bye bye.